We're just looking at one of our hives now, and we're right in the middle of the honey flow, and the bees are really working hard, as you can see, coming in and out. The reason for this is that we're now looking at what they're collecting at the moment, and they're still collecting blackberry, which is very late, but we've got plenty of blackberry flowers near where we are, which is superb. And another popular plant is the rosebay willow herb, dahlias and the buddleia. Buddleia is obviously everywhere, as you can see, and finally, of course, Himalayan balsam, which is all over the countryside in Lancashire at the moment, and the bees go mad on it. So we're just now looking at balsam, and we're just going to take one apart and just show you what goes on inside the actual plant. Quite remarkable. The bee enters through the front of the plant, as you can see, and whilst it's going in there, it has to go right to the very back, because at the back is where the nectar is, on the little stem at the very end. So it has to go right into the plant itself, and you can see there that where it takes the nectar from, and then how it escapes out of the plant itself. And then what happens is the pollen is on that little brush on the top, and as it goes in, the brush then rubs against the back of the bee and then deposits pollen on its back, and it can't get it off, and it takes it back to the hive, as you can see there now. And apart from having pollen on its legs, its whole back is covered in pollen as well, and it would have to rely then really on other bees to remove that pollen when it goes into the hive, but many of the time it doesn't get removed and will eventually just brush off.